Hello guys, welcome to our channel Indrakshita Vlogs. Today we will tell you a different and very tasty recipe of making bananas. These bananas are green or raw bananas which you can eat as a vegetable. These are not fruits. So we have taken 700 to 750 grams of raw bananas and we have peeled off and cut in this shape. You can cut it like any fruit or salad you cut, the same way you can cut it. So now this is flour, that is chane ka flour or besan. We have taken around half of this container, but we need to take accordingly with this recipe. This is 2 big tablespoon of oil. These are around 4 to 5 garlics finely chopped. This is half tablespoon red chili powder, half tablespoon turmeric powder, garam masala half tablespoon, and salt also half tablespoon. But we can add red chili powder and salt according to our taste. We have taken this much. You can add according to your taste. Now starting with the pan or the kadhai. We have heated on the pan. We have switched on the gas. As the pan is getting heated, we will put oil. That 2 big tablespoon oil in that. We will let this oil to be heated up. Now we will add turmeric powder, salt, table salt, red chili powder, and keep stirring it. And then adding our raw banana. Now adding garam masala and stirring all of the raw bananas with pieces with our mixture which we prepared. Now we will add this much amount of besan into our raw bananas and stir it so that they should be equally covered with this besan, because the besan will make them crispier. Now we will let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes in slow mode of gas, and then we will cover it and keep checking it in between. Guys, after 15 to 20 minutes of slow mode cooking, and we constantly checked in between some intervals. Now see, this is how it is looking. The aroma of this vegetable is so delightful. You can see it. looking so yummy. Now we will switch off the gas and convert it into our serving plate.